असे हटत असते की असं बोट लावलं हट्टी हट्टी किशोरी सध्या थांब रे ती म्हशी दही 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 rain come and raining in 30 minutes more than 35 minutes and then was the rain was gone and now this is a very chill time now because night time also and slowly was the rain come and guys here is the S24 Ultra apply नहीं आराम से आऊँगा and also guys now I started my vlog and guys now in our Jalna Badi Sadak Road and I have some work and I go to our studio so also guys stay in my vlog and now guys I am in our Jalna's Shakun Plaza area and guys now I see our Jalna's fun fair event was begins now because their setup was come in our Jalna Durga Mata Parisar and there has all setup was come and now guys we are visiting for watch and see this setup so guys stay in my vlog and guys now we also looking at the Indian food and there is the Chhawa movie best time for Sunday watching Indian food eating Indian food and watching the Chhawa movie असे हटत असते की असं बोट लावलं हट्टी हट्टी किशोरी सध्या थांब रे ती म्हशी केलेला हल्ली तिला दर्शन थोडे घ्यायचे अरे आले रे ना ती खुरी घाबरती हाणू नाही ये दही 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 चपाती तो मैत्रीण काय मैत्रीण तुही और ये है ललिया ललिया काहीच करत नाही हाँ छोटकू तो चाहिए नाम क्या है and so guys back in vlog so guys now we went to our Jalna's Hanwangad area and now I will come in my home and guys now suddenly starting in the rain in our Jalna city and like this area like this in my area this is the second time of raining in our Jalna city I think 1 hour ago come in rain and just had only 5 minutes and just was gone and now was also come the rain and I don't know how it's going and Jalna has a rain come and just I think 30 minutes was raining and left there and same thing like in a whole day rain come and raining in 30 minutes more than 35 minutes and then was the rain was gone and takes the break half an hour and rain was come and my area I mean was alone all public in his home and I take the umbrella and come to the see the this beauty of our Jalna and I love rain guys and guys now my plan was to go to the our Jalna some site for a shoot but guys rain was now coming and my plan was now cancelled and when was rain stopped I will go to the our class and then I start my vlog. So stay to my vlog. And guys, now just the rain was slow down, and now I go to the meet my friend. And today has a so heavy rain in our Jalna city. In two times, rain was come. I think 1 p.m. and so much little rain, and it's gone. And now it's evening time. 4:30 p.m. was the rain comes in very heavy, and just rain was slow down, and I was go to the meet my friend. So stay to my vlog. रोड चमक रहा भाई. And now guys, the rain was continuous in our Jalna, and we go to the meet my friend, and we done at work, and we was go to the home with my friend. And now guys, we are come to the our dance studio, and here is was the Garba session is now was started in our dance studio. And now guys, me and my friend was go to the market, and it's now the very slow rain, and just I go to the right. So stay to my blog. We are also go to the only for small ride in this rainy season. And now this is a very chill time now, because night time also, and slowly was the rain come. And I love to the riding and travel my city in this type of rain. And so stay to my vlog. Now guys, we are come to the our Reliance Mall. And guys, here is the S24 Ultra. Apply. Hi, I am sir. Reliance Mall. कौन सा? And guys, इथे पण 5 पीस आहे. 54,000 मध्ये पुरतो यार. अपन वैसे अरे सर ये लेते कि फिर ये भी सही है यार. ये क्या है? JBL का देखो, आप लेना है ना, JBL का ही देखो फिर. सोनी नहीं, आराम से आऊँगा. मस्त पोस्ट पर. कौन सा? And guys, some like this scene in our Jalna city of our rain. And we come to the Reliance Mall because we want some equipment, and we wait at home.
सोनी का बढ़िया लगा.
हाँ,
सोनी और सैमसंग भी बहुत तगड़ा है. छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका.
फिर सर सैम. And guys, now we are go to the market, and we come to our dance class. And now this time has now is a rain, and it's a very heavy rain guys. It's a very heavy rain guys.